What is very stupid in the Philippines senator government to be busy about Senator Alex Go? Yun ang hinihingi kong pera money ransom Philippines. Bakit wala pa? Nag-open ako ng BPI ATM card to send about direct my name para ma-withdraw ko ang pera. Hindi nagbisi-bisihan tayo sa mga taong ang tagal-tagal ng issue ngayon lang yung huhungkatin for visit to China to do overturn. Well, what happened always longer about this crisis the time. You know what? Kahit anong gawin nyo kay ko, Alex Mayor, ay pabalik nyo yun sa China dahil Chinese naman talaga siya. You know what? Wala na rin kang magagawa. For this is the biggest scandal the world over the traffic about your media. You know what? Nakaka-stress na Philippines. This is over. You know what? Something fucking hell, you bitch. Mr. President Duterte and Marcos Napoleon all senator in America. Call President Biden, Donald Trump. Bakit hindi mo ibigay ang aking man ransom? Why it was longer just over your country's my face? Banit to my face in your historic politics? Tanggalin niyo ako dyan at hindi ko na kayo kailangan mga American people government. You are blamed to me as always criminal and bullies. Come over like the Philippines or Uber. Kayo si Mayra ng buhay ko kaya kayo magbabayad ng pera. You know what? There's something over to me. Tingnan natin kung sino mamatay sa amin. Matanda ka na. Sobra eh. So the better you believe if your family is going like you. Talagang sila ang isisingilin ko. Tanda mo yan sa